Okay guys, welcome to a new video, and today we have the Boat Stone 700 that comes with Alexa. So this is the first speaker that Boat makes which comes with Alexa. So yeah, let's see, this is going to be something new. Okay, so this is the speaker itself. As you can tell, this looks very similar to the Boat Stone 700 except it comes with Alexa and there's a different button over here. So to see what else you get in the box, I made an unboxing video which only covers the unboxing, so you can go and watch that video. But just to give you guys a quick view, I will show you randomly. These are the things that you get. That's a ring. So you can go and watch that video if you want. So yeah. So the first thing when you take this speaker out of the box is you notice that it's heavy. Now I have not tested the Boat 700. But I guess it has the same weight, and it is heavy because it has a good build quality. So as you can tell, this grill is pure metal. We have all rubber. We have rubber over here, and we have hard plastic, and we have the same grill on the back. The front grill has the Boat logo. So the two main speakers are on the front and on the back, and you have this little section where you can attach the ring that comes with the box, and you can like clip it to something. Okay, so on the top we have some basic functionality buttons, and here they are. So first of all, we have the power button which is used to turn the speaker on. We have the Alexa button and the Bluetooth pairing or discoverability button. Then we have the call, play, pause button. We have a previous track or a volume down, and the next track and the volume up button. Now the speaker has Alexa, so let's go ahead and show you guys how that works. Okay guys, so we are testing the Alexa feature on the Boat Stone 700. So first connect your speaker to your phone. So once it's connected, the app into your Amazon, and I don't think you need the Amazon Prime for this. Just need your basic Amazon account, and once you're done, you'll be logged into it. Then what you can do is you can use the Alexa button that is provided here. And what's the weather like?
Right now in Sandur, it's 30 degrees Celsius with partly sunny skies. Today's forecast has hazy sunshine with a high of 32 degrees and a low of 21 degrees.
That's pretty much most of it that you can do with the speaker. I'll be making a exhaustive video about the Amazon Alexa. It will be linked in the description. I'm not making it right now, but I am thinking of making it. So it will be available soon, and you can pretty much find out everything that Alexa can do from this speaker. One more thing about the Alexa feature is you need to always keep running the app on your background, this app, and then only it works. If you like remove this app from the multitask bar, the Alexa feature is not going to work. And I don't think the Alexa feature does much in this speaker except from reading you the weather. That's the only good thing it does, and playing some playlist from Amazon Music. So if you're using Amazon Music, it's going to be a good experience because you can like tap and ask Alexa to play a specific song or a specific playlist that you have already made. So that was all about Alexa in this speaker. Now in my experience, the sound quality on the speaker is very good. Let's give you guys a little sound test of the speaker. Okay guys, so the speaker is right now connected to my laptop, and I'm just going to play some NCS music from YouTube. So yeah, here it goes. Okay guys, so let's talk about the sound quality. So this speaker has good bass, good treble, good midtones, good high tones, and it is very loud. It is very loud for the size that it looks. It is very loud and it is practical to carry too. So yeah, that was the sound quality of the speaker. I would say it is definitely the best you can get under 3000 rupees. I've tried most of the Bose speaker and this one is the best sounding speaker ever. It sounds better than the Bose Tone 1002. That is a much large speaker, but I think this one sounds very good and Bose has done an amazing job with this one. Now the speaker is rated waterproof, so what we're going to do is we're just gonna submerge it and see how it performs while it's in a bucket full of water. And yeah, let's do this. Welcome to the red bucket guys. So this is Bose Tone 700 and let's see how it performs in water. So first of all we're gonna test if it floats. Okay, so it does float. Let's just fill it up with water first. Okay, so let it fill it up with water. Okay, so now we have water in the speaker. Let's just play music inside water. So it loses Bluetooth connectivity when it's underwater. Let's wait till the drop and pull it off. See the water, how it manages to take the water off. So one thing I noticed with the speaker is the grill is made such a way that it does not take much of the water, and when it actually does take water, the speaker is very good at ejecting the water outside. That's a good thing. See, it just disconnects when it goes underwater. But yeah, that was the water test overall. Now the battery life on the speaker is pretty, I would say this is the best battery life speaker I've ever seen in my life. Like from the ones that I've used. I would say you get an easy 10-hour battery life from this speaker. And it takes almost 3 to 2 hours and it takes almost 3 to 4 hours to charge. But again, the amount of battery life that you get is amazing. This is the best battery life I've ever seen. Now to give you guys my final verdict about this speaker, I would say if you're on this price point, if you're looking to buy a speaker for 3000 rupees, hands down you won't find anything better than this. I know you can get a JBL speaker for 1000 or 2000 more, but I would say still go with this because you're going to save money. This is more durable, it has good battery life, good bass, good sounding speaker, the latest features like Alexa, and you got all the voice controls, you got auxiliary port and good charging port too, which is sealed. You got total waterproofing, dust resistant, you got total waterproofing, you got something to carry. I think this is a very good speaker. If you want to buy the speaker, you can check the. If you have any queries, you can write them in the comments below, or you can DM me on Instagram and I'll get back to you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.